I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind, how many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me, trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me. Problematic. Problem is I want your body like a fiend, like a bad habit. Bad habits hard to break when I'm with you. Yeah, I know I can do it on my own, but I want that real full moon, black magic, and it takes two. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict, and I need some relief. My skin ain't your teeth, can't see the forest through the trees. Got me down on my knees, darling, please. Oh, I lose control when you're not next to me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me. Yeah. I lose control when you're not here with me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not here with me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me.
Hey friends, I really hope that you enjoyed that performance. I wrote that choreography over the summer, and I've been looking for a home for it now for several months, and as I look back on 2024, I realized that the way I really wanted to close out this year was to finally shoot a performance video of it. There's no sponsor here, believe me, I tried. But no, this is just me making art on my own dime, and I wanted to share it with you all because it is something I worked really hard on and something I'm really proud of and something that I think is really beautiful, and I hope that you all agree. As we close out the year here, I also have to put some thank yous out there. Big thanks to the friends of the channel. That is, big thanks to Dark Monk, Fire Mecha, Flowfests, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, and Ultra Poi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. If you want to learn more about all these amazing companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself, check out the links that I have down in the description of this video. And special thanks to the non-business friend of the channel, Pekha Pekkonen. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, my work, and my mission. And also, this video and all the videos on this channel would not be possible without my amazing supporters on Patreon. In particular, I'd love to give a shout out to my Flow patrons who are listed on screen right now. Thank you all so much, you all rock, and quite frankly, this video would not exist if it were not for all of you, because I wouldn't have had the time to choreograph this, nor to shoot it if I didn't have your support, so thank you so much. And if you out there watching loved this video and you'd like to see me make more like it, the easiest way to make that happen is to sign up to support my artistic endeavors over on Patreon. You can do that over at patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi. There you can get access to a whole host of awesome rewards, including I shared several videos of this choreography in progress over the months, and there are many more projects to come, I would think. So if that sounds appealing, go ahead and head on over there and sign up. Thank you in advance. If you are interested in checking out some of my other performance videos, I'll go ahead and link to a playlist of those down in the description as well as up here on screen. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for an awesome year. I can't wait to see you all in 2025, and I hope you take care. Peace, and I'll see you soon.